No matter how careful you are with your newly leased Subaru, unexpected things can happen. Things like dents, stains, extra kilometers, tire wear, and other excess wear and tear. For your peace of mind, Subaru Financial Services offers Wear Pass, an excess wear and tear waiver available for purchase when you lease your Subaru. Wear Pass is designed to waive these unexpected lease-end charges when you return your vehicle, allowing you to easily transition to a new lease. For those who want to keep their vehicle looking new, we now offer Wear Pass Plus, which includes all the benefits of Wear Pass and much more. Wear Pass Plus allows for certain repairs to be made during the lease and the cost to be waived. This includes things like replacing your front windshield, a broken headlight, or a lost key fob. Wear Pass Plus also gives you additional excess kilometer allowances at lease-end for added peace of mind and worry-free leasing. Don't sweat the small stuff. Ask your dealership for more information about Wear Pass and Wear Pass Plus.